Dana iklim dipakai untuk kelompok anti-Israel. Saudara Senator Shelley Moore Capito membeberkan pemerintahan Joe Biden memberikan uang $50 juta untuk kelompok iklim anti-Israel. Kelompok anti-Israel ini bernama Aliansi Keadilan Iklim CJA. Dalam akun X November 2023, CJA menyatakan pembebasan Palestina adalah isu keadilan iklim.
Well, I wanted to bring to everybody's attention something that doesn't get much attention, and you've heard the term follow the money. So I looked up where did Follow the Money, I thought it was from a Tom Cruise movie, but it wasn't. It was from Watergate. And Follow the Money is what they did in Watergate, and we saw what happened. So my young staffer, who's very bright, and I see him over there, Adam Pack, followed the money. And the money is from the so-called Inflation Reduction Act. So in the name of green and environmental justice, there's over $40 billion that are going to be granted out through the EPA. So, with this great research that was done, what was discovered that in December, the EPA granted $50 million to an organization called Climate Justice Alliance.
Semangka adalah simbol pro-Palestina yang marak sejak 7 Oktober 2023.
So we went to the website of Climate Justice Alliance. This is what we found on the website, that our taxpayer dollars are going to organizations such as this. This, at the bottom, is a picture of the bulldozer that went through the fence when Hamas attacked Israel on October the 7th. They have a rendering on their website. It says decolonize Palestine, and it has a picture of that same bulldozer going through that fence. If you dig deeper, they want to defund the police, defund the military, either them or their affiliates want to have very radical, drastic initiatives that I think are anti-American. And they're certainly anti-Israel and anti-Semitic. So the Biden administration doesn't seem to care. $50 million in December. Who knows how much more in the future, and other like groups, because there are other associated groups with this group. There's no Inspector General for EPA to follow the money because they don't care. Because all they care about is the mission, the climate mission, no matter what the radical ideas that are associated with the groups. So then you could ask yourself, is this group really going to be funding climate, cleaning up the water and cleaning up the soil and cleaning up the air? Or are they going to be funding things like the protests they had in Hart just several weeks ago, where several of them were arrested? So follow the money. The EPA is not doing, and the administration are not doing any better research as to where our American taxpayer dollars are going.
Saudara, jelas sekali kelompok ini menggunakan isu iklim untuk mendapatkan dana. Padahal agenda utama mereka adalah anti-Israel. Kelompok ini ingin membebaskan Palestina, tetapi mereka tidak bersuara agar Hamas membebaskan 125 sandera yang masih di Gaza hingga hari ini. Kelompok ini menolak genosida, namun mereka setuju pada terorisme Hamas yang menewaskan 1.200 orang pada 7 Oktober 2023. Bahkan kelompok pembela iklim ini membuat pengajaran Palestina gratis, bukan edukasi soal iklim dan lingkungan hidup. Kelompok-kelompok inilah yang menunggangi isu iklim dengan tujuan sebenarnya adalah anti-Israel. Saudara, damai hanya bisa tanpa terorisme. Salam damai dari Fakta Israel.